Hello everyone. Today friends, I have brought few words which is generally spoken, not written. That means there are few words with some multiple meanings which we do not use in terms of writing. Yeah, in speaking, in communicating, we frequently use these expressions. So welcome to my channel. Do subscribe my channel and don't forget to share with your friends. So now it's a common words, a new words we are going to learn today. That means we use these words in speaking, not in writing. Okay friends, so let's go ahead. Friends, coming to the first word here is hot. H-O-T, hot. Once we heard this sound hot, that means oh, something is quite warm. Don't touch that cup, it's very hot. Very hot. Hot means very warm. That is one meaning. And second meaning is very attractive. If you see somebody looking quite attractive, oh, she looks hot, or so somebody looks gorgeous, we say they, oh, it looks hot. Hot means looks good, looks attractive, looks gorgeous. Generally we use in terms of speaking, not in writing. The second meaning is, the first meaning very warm, but second is very attractive, looks very attractive. So we use hot when something looks very attractive. Going to another one guys, daw. It is not doff, rather than this is daw. So there are two meanings to it. The first meaning is guys, we generally use when we add water to wheat and we make bread, that's called dough. But the other meaning is D-O-U-G-S, dough, but the other meaning is money. Yeah, we don't use this second expression in writing. That means for example I can say like you can say Santosh has lost a lot of money. So rather than saying money, Santosh has lost a lot of dough in the new business. Another one is high, opposite of low. High, opposite of low. This is written and this is spoken. But the second meaning is here, somebody is drunk. Maybe he has drunk a lot, or maybe he has taken drugs. So for example, when someone is quite drunk, in that case they lost their temper, and in that case you can say high. For example, hey, don't drink a lot. Whenever you get high, you fight a lot. Coming to the next one, guys, dump. Dump means dump has two meanings. Generally, when we put one upon another, like we put one again another, again another, again another, that is called as dump. Generally, in our room, like you can say, guys, we put our clothes like one upon another. So our mom keeps on complaining, yeah, don't dump the clothes, keep it properly, don't dump it. That means don't put one on another. You just keep on keeping the clothes not in proper manner, you throw it again, another throw on it, another one is, that is called as dump. But the second one is break up. When you find that somebody is in a romantic relationship and due to some problems the girl dumped the boy, that means they broke their relationship. Whenever the relationship is getting break, or the boy dumped the girl, that means the boy broke the relationship with the girl. That is called dump. Dig. Dig means guys, make a hole. Obviously you make a hole, digging, I'm digging the ground, that means I'm making a hole. That is the first meaning. But the second meaning is guys, to enjoy. For example, I dig Sonu Nigam songs. That means I enjoy listening Sonu Nigam songs. Yeah, we generally use the second meaning in terms of spoken, not written, guys. Dig means to enjoy. When I listen to Sonu Nigam songs, I feel very happy. That means in that case I can say I dig Sonu Nigam songs. That means I enjoy listening Sonu Nigam songs. Coming to another word, that is called grand. Grand means big party. Arey yaar, tomorrow I have a grand party at my home. That is big party. Second meaning, $1,000. When you talk about $1,000, we can also say that is grand. For example, arey yaar, he has made 6 grand last month in his business. Like means $6,000. 6 grand. $1,000 is called 1 grand. So joint means another word, guys. Joint means, guys, whenever you bones, like your bones are joined. So this is a joint, right? Both the bones are joining at each other at this point. This is called joint. Second meaning, guys, drugs. There is a marijuana. Marijuana is a type of drugs available in the market. So people bring marijuana and they pour the marijuana into the cigarette and they just smoke it. That cigarette having marijuana into it, the marijuana is a drugs, that is called as joint. Do you want to have a joint with me? That means, do you want to have marijuana cigarette smoke with me? That means, do you want to smoke marijuana cigarette? So rather than saying marijuana cigarette, we can say, do you want joint? Joint means marijuana cigarette. Cigarettes having marijuana drugs inside it. Guys, coming to another one, that is called as sick. Sick means somebody is not well. If someone is not well, we can say, I feel sick here because I feel sick under the weather. Sick means I'm not well under the weather. So rather than not well, we can also another expression, that is awesome. You watched a movie and the movie was awesome. Yeah, I watched the awesome movie. I watched the chic movie. Chic movie means awesome movie, wonderful movie. But we use this expression in speaking, not writing, friends. Prop means fake equipment. You see guns in theaters, in movies, those are not real guns, rather than they are fake guns. We can call them props. Prop means the fake equipments. Again, prop means give credit. For example, Sanjay has given a grand party. So maybe, props to Sanjay. That means you give credit. This party, props to Sanjay. He has given a wonderful party. That means all the credit goes to Sanjay. He has given a wonderful party. Maybe like Santosh is a leader of your class and he managed the sports event effectively. So you can say, props to Sanjay. He managed the event perfectly. Props means all the credit goes to Sanjay. Beat means, beating the board, hitting the board. That is beat. Another expression we use it, guys, that is tired. I feel bit yaar. I walked a lot. That means I feel tired. Rather than saying I feel tired, I can also use that I feel bit because I walked a lot throughout the day. So friends, I have taken a wonderful expression. I have given you a wonderful expression. We use these expressions in terms of speaking, not writing. I hope you have liked the video. So please give your valuable comments and share this video with everyone. Okay? All the best, guys.